What if you could create stunning visual just by describing them? With Canva's Dream Lab, you can. This AI-powered tool turns your words into high-quality image in just seconds. Say goodbye to design struggles and hello to effortless creativity. Let's check this out. So, how do you access Dreamlab? So, you go to the sidebar right here on the left side and click Dreamlab. If you're on a free account, you can get 20 prompts and it's a one-time use. But if you have Canva Pro, you get 500 prompts per month. So it's gonna refresh every first of the month. So I heard that currently Dream Lab is rolling out in Europe, US, Australia, and other global regions. If you're unsure, you can check in Google which for the updates for Canva. Now, once inside, you'll see a prompt box right here, a style selection. It's actually similar to Magic Media. So there are several styles right here. We have smart, cinematic concept, macro, illustration, fashion, a lot more. And there's also pop art and just none and vector. Then we have the aspect ratio selector right here. And we also have an image reference upload button. So what I'm gonna show you what's the use of this button right here. So let's try this out. One of the Canva's biggest tips is to use a short prompt, but I recommend doing the same. Oh no, the opposite actually. So instead of saying I want a garden full of flowers, now I want something more precise. So I will put this one. Generate an image of a picturesque garden adorned with diverse, vibrant, blah blah blah. I just got this one from top 25 AI prompts. Now let's try to create this one. And I choose smart on this. Let's wait for it a little bit. Wow. It's similar to Dolly actually, but this one is from Canva itself. So you don't have to go to ChatGPT and save it. You just have to go directly to Canva. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the purpose of this button right here. Let's add an image and style reference from an image. Oh, we also have content reference and image to image, and it's coming soon. Can't wait for this one. Now click this one, upload folder, and let's see, maybe I want something similar to this one. I like the vibe. So let's upload that one. And remember this image right here. And now I'm gonna create a new one. Let's wait for it a little bit. Okay, it's taking a little longer. Wow, as you can see, it's almost the same as the one that I put it in here. So this one is a style reference. So whatever you put it in the prompt and put an image, it will combine like this one. Okay, that's nice. You can see the difference from the first prompt and the second prompt just by an image. And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content about Canva, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Bye-bye!